Hey, Doug and Nikki are back from a big trip in Europe. You might have been seeing that on our YouTube channel. And I wanted to talk to you about a key thing for travel. This is kind of a unique kit. Okay, so when we travel, we kind of bring two different first aid kits kind of things. And we needed a new little one like this for our on-the-go activities, whether we were quadding out in Turkey or adventuring in the hill country of Italy, all that kind of stuff, where we're just kind of cruising around with the backpack and kind of adventuring. This is a really great kit for that. Comes with 100 different items, including a tourniquet, which hope to God we never need a tourniquet for anything, but it's in here. I'm not really relying on it for that. But what I'm relying on it for are things like clean bandages, scissors, tweezers, antiseptic towels, gauze pads, those basic things. If we crash the quad and somebody's a little injured, not dying, but a little injured, and we need to be patched up to get back, this is nice and light in a little case like this. Great to have. Plus, it's also a good augment to our other medical kit that we bring with us when we travel, which kind of stays in the hotel or on the cruise ship, whatever it is. This is our on-the-go kit. It is really an essential thing for you to have when you travel, especially if you're traveling out of the country or you're out on your boat, you're hiking in the woods, you're going to be on your own a little bit. A nice, light little kit like this is great to have. Highly recommend it. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.